Alright, Rise and Grind back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video we got a 2002 Ford F150. It's a 5.4 two-wheel drive, which start on the customer, and I came out here, diagnosed it, got it to run, and it is a fuel pump, and this is our fuel pump. We're going to be replacing that today. Show you how we're going to do it. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Alright, so that fuel pump, in order to get to it, a lot of people recommend, shops recommend taking off the bed, but it's a lot of work doing that. I'm going to need 2 hands or 4 hands, get a helper, but instead I'm going to just drop the tank. Alright, I feel like it's a lot easier that way. This thing is damn near full. I'm not going to take the gas out. I'm going to just drop this bad boy, and we're going to get it done. Alright, this is what we got. Jack it up right in the middle. Jack stands. And now we can get up under here. Alright, so we got our straps here. 1, 2. You can see the tank itself. Get access to it. I think I can work with it. Yeah. Should be able to work with it without removing the drive shaft. Gonna be using this transmission jack to lower that tank. That's where we at. Alright, now we gotta disconnect these connectors. Got a harness connector there. Got these fuel lines and these 8mm bolts. Alright, we got these tabs here. Pretty much you gotta squeeze in these 2 on the back side so you can pull it out. Push it in. So both of them pushing. This one had like a cap on it. Pull that back. Push that in. Like that. Alright, we got both of them off. Now we got these holes right here. Got a little clamp on it. Move that. Then we can hit these 8mm bolts. Now we take pry bar, pry this fuel pump up. Whole assembly. That's the new gasket. Alright, line those holes up. Those bolts in there. Tighten it down. Hook up the lines. Alright, I put another jack right up in front so we can jack this up and we can get it level so we can get it back on there on that transmission jack. Go ahead and add the straps. Alright, got that back one on. Now we're gonna lower this jack and put the other one on. Reposition the jack further in the front. Jack it up. Alright, we up in there. So I forgot to mention, man, before you put this thing up, you want to make sure that the pump does start the vehicle before you button up everything. You want to prime it about 3 times, and that's, you want to do it like that. Don't start it. Just want to show y'all where that fuel filter is. That's it, man. Hope the video helped out. Till next time, the Pull Up King.